We just moved to the brand new hotel, which is Grand Central on Orchard Road. I used to stay on the last time also here, and previously, currently during the Christmas, this room, what you see, it's cost us 160 Singaporean dollars per night. But also Hotel 81 was sold out on 25th, and they asking for $150 even for today. So it's like a very good deal. But we booked this hotel in August, back in August, because that was our main plan to come to Singapore for 3 days. But we changed the plan, so we are longer.
Okay, so we also met Jeffrey before, and we had a lunch and nice chit chat to talk about life. So very nice to meet you. And now we will go explore Singapore more. We start our day having a lunch here with our Singaporean friends, Mr. Jeffrey.
Hello!
Every single day we met different person.
We just arrived to the Harbourfront, which is VivoCity Mall, and we are overlooking the Sentosa Island. Sentosa Island is over there. There is the cable car connecting the Singapore with Sentosa Island, because that's two different islands, of course. Belongs to Singapore. And there is the big cruise ships. Actually one cruise ship, I don't know what's the company, and all of the small boats, actually they are coming from Batam in Indonesia. So if you are living in Batam, you are coming to Singapore by this one, or you can go have a quick jump to Indonesia to Batam for a weekend. Many people actually doing that, including the Singaporean people. But we on today's occasion going to Sentosa Island because we really want to go there. So all of these big buildings that are actually resorts in Sentosa Island. And how we're gonna get there? We're gonna get there by the shuttle train, which is free, actually, free of charge.
Many of you probably asking us how we move around in Singapore. Whenever we go around, we just use the public transportation, especially the bus or MRT. Just for your information, guys, the train taking from Dhoby Ghaut and coming to the Sentosa, especially Harbourfront, only cost us 30 cents. Wow, it's super cheap. If you compare with my hometown, short distance can cost you 30,000 rupiah or something like that. Also, the public transportation is super duper convenient and punctual.
And this is where the containers coming, the big ships coming to Singapore. They docking here, and all the stuff is coming actually here. So if you're interested about the ships and stuff like this one, the cargoes, you can have a spin to Sentosa and you can see everything from the freight train. This is it. We arrived to the Sentosa first station, with the Universal Studio, and I'm gonna tell you, it's definitely way busier than I was here last time.
So many Indonesians coming to Singapore and then going to Sentosa Island, and then they are taking picture in front of the globe. So I wanna have one also.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. We came here to making the pictures, but of course show you around. Oh, beautiful Lego shop. Unfortunately, the Coca-Cola kiosk is still closed and it's rainy, but the Universal Studio globe is still there. Oh, look at this one. That's very nice, Sayang. You
So
should have a picture with him.
This one is actually the Lego stuff for the kids. And I think also many Indonesians coming here to buy the Lego.
Actually, many Indonesians are in Singapore today. I heard every time. So many people was saying when I leave Indonesia recently, a few days ago, why Damian, you are leaving Indonesia? But whenever I came here, I hear and meet people from Indonesia on every single corner, guys. So I don't know where is the problem, actually. We're gonna have a cable car ride because Winnie never had it and really wants. Later, we're gonna explore the hawker center, which is very local with the local food and local prices. Many of you are actually interested about the stuff like this. And then we're gonna explore the VivoCity Mall. So very interesting things today on today's video. Bear with us till the end. Honey, but it's rainy lah. Rainy.
Come on, just make it for my picture.
I'm making beautiful, beautiful, almost, okay. Very nice, beautiful.
We are the
Come here.
monkeys. Honey, rain or shine, we have to make a video.
Of course, we are the monkeys, even with the snow. Actually, the snow will be nice. All right, guys, also, if you are here, there's not only a Universal Globe, what you can have for free and strolling around. There's also aquarium, what you can have, access. The tickets cost you, actually one-day ticket costs you currently $41 per adult, and they are sold out, so better come at morning most likely. And then another attraction here is Universal Studio Singapore itself. So one-day ticket or Christmas, probably Christmas, let's see how much it costs, $98 for adult, and it's sold out. And also another attraction is Adventure Cove Water Park. One day ticket is gonna cost you something like $38. Also sold out.
Oh my goodness, in all attractions are sold out, honey.
Even it's rainy here, but everywhere is the roof. So you can actually walk around and enjoy without the umbrella. This is actually very smart indeed. I really like it. And all of these buildings are resorts, so you can also stay here. Very cool, yeah?
Must be expensive, right?
I'm not sure. It's actually basically like a Nusa Dua in Bali lah.
Just like that, the resort were facing the ocean. This is not facing the ocean, but facing the, what is it called?
The park.
The park.
But they are actually resort facing the ocean later on. We're gonna see them from the cable car. Because you never had a cable car here yet, yeah?
No, never.
Okay, let's have a look then first. And also you can walk there for the access to the India station and take a cable car for $12, or you can come back and take a free shuttle train. But we're gonna walk today, yeah?
Behind me, you see that people may be tired walking. Like me, I got easily tired walking and take rest just like this. But now we should go to the cable car. We will go there. Look, Christmas vibes are everywhere.
But the one thing which is good right now today, I always came to Sentosa at morning before 12 o'clock. Super hot. Maybe sunny, beautiful weather, but super hot. But now it's actually pretty enjoyable to walk here. So maybe afternoon is actually better idea. Even the rain is not a problem actually. They also have options and the prices. We're going with this one, $15 per person ticket. And they have also like a passes for full day and all of this stuff. So let's see what we can else find here. But now we're going for the cable car. We're taking this one and we can return all of this. One time you can exit and in. So super cool actually, huh? Excited? Honey, you are surprised as I know everywhere to go, yeah?
You've been here many times.
We've been many times in Singapore. Baby, you look scary a little bit. Sayang. All is nice, look, you have a view of the cable cars and everything is so nice. It's rainy actually recently, but also you have a view of the harbor and here's supposed to be something. So actually the facts are, Sweetie is the very first time in her life in the cable car. How do you feel, Sayang?
So scary.
Actually, Sayang is scary. This is like a candid scary. It's not like a for the video purposes. She's just like that, but she's scary.
Honey, I want a pee-pee.
That's not the place for you.
Oh no.
You have a fear of heights or something?
Yeah, I just want to close my eyes.
How do you enjoy lah? If you go to Vietnam, it's even worse. Even in Langkawi, it's higher. But look at the beautiful view, 360. Lucky as we are alone in this cable car, actually. Are you okay?
Honey, how if the electricity off?
We stuck here. It's happened sometimes. But not in Singapore. No, don't worry about that. Sayang, also over there are hotels.
Oh my God.
Actually,
Oh my God. Now, are we going down?
Yeah, so nice.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but I just want to tell to the people that the hotels are facing the beach and ocean actually. Would you like to stay here so we will drive all the time? But still other countries have a cable car, we have to repeat lah. Very nice, it's so fun.
I really want a pee-pee.
There's no toilet here. I just wonder how if your mom will come here.
She will cry.
She never even fly the plane, so this one will be like too extreme already for her. Okay, let's go to the beach. This is Siloso Point, by the way. Sayang, let's go.
Can we go to toilet first?
Yeah, where is the toilet? Let's have to find the toilet and let's go. And that's the cable car. It's very safe, guys. We need just scared a little bit. Sayang is after already stress ready. Stress ready. He's having a coffee from 7-Eleven. This is like a survival in Southeast Asia. Everywhere 7-Eleven coffee the best. 3 times cheaper than in Starbucks.
So both
actually,
of this?
Both of this is like
$5?
For something like almost $5. Oh. Not even. So it's actually pretty affordable still. Nothing to complain about. We're gonna go to the beach a little bit, yeah? Let's have a look. But finish coffee first. Cheers, guys. If you ever come to Sentosa Siloso Station, there's the resort, but they preparing the kayaks for the water sports. And the environment here is a little bit different, like a tropical vibe. Also, they have like a forest and jungles and everything. Are you happy to step on the beach again? After so many, actually after 5 days,
Wow.
already missing the beach?
Wow, very nice.
You know, this beach is actually human-made. This is actually, yeah, human-made beach.
Wow.
Let's have a walk. Last time when I was here was actually Sunday. It was very busy, but now it's very nice actually.
Look
Weather
at
is
the
very
beach.
beautiful.
So clean.
Yeah, very clean, of course. Must be clean, and they have a coconut trees as well. Guys, we are making longer videos since we are in Singapore. I hope so they are not too boring for you, and you still have a time to watching them every single day at 4 p.m. if you somehow new subscriber you don't know. And also think if you are living in Singapore, actually you can also enjoy the beach. Right?
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's pretty cool. Many people enjoying the beach even right now, right here. It's of course a little bit different than in somewhere else, but it pretty looks good. Also, when we are here, I was quickly Googling about the prices of the hotels here, the resorts. I found out Shangri-La and Sofitel, which is 5-star nice hotels for about 650 Singaporean dollars if you book today. Christmas tomorrow is tomorrow, so it's actually not that very bad. Over there is also W by Marriott Group for 800 over the Christmas. This is the prices like in Bali or even cheaper for this kind of hotels. It's just not so bad. Of course, it's different vibe.
Look at this, guys. So behind me, they also have a beach bars, restaurant, not beach club with the loud music, but more chill, more family friendly, more enjoyable.
Nice indeed. I'm not sure what's the name, but looks pretty decent. And also attraction for the kids. Also super cool. Also, if you already arrive here to the beach side of Sentosa Island, there is the beach shuttle free bus, free of charge for everyone whenever you come here. So cool. So we were planning actually to having a ride on the free shuttle, but we decide going back to the, to the VivoCity. Well, that's a nice day on the beach, could be for everyone of you who are interested. We're back to the VivoCity Mall, and you can buy the tickets to Batam here, Batam Fast. I heard it's very good company, the most frequent and the biggest one. And that's how does it look like a ferry departure cruise, and well, Singapore Cruise Center. That's how does it look like. And this is the departure hall, and all of the boats is actually pretty the same like in the airport. It's actually like in the airport, but with the boats instead of the planes. And there is the luggage service, and somewhere over there is immigration. Let me know in the comment section if you would like us to visit Batam one day, or maybe next time when we are in Singapore we could make it, because it's actually kind of interesting, I gotta tell you. And over here this is the boats, as you can see, clean, nice, and very easy. And this is the arrival gate, and obviously as you can see it's pretty busy, and obviously that's the Indonesian people, what we actually mentioned earlier today.
All right, so we are so thirsty, and then Damian just want to buy a juice from the vending machine. Let's see, you just put the coin, huh?
Yeah, $2.
Ah,
Notes, contactless, Apple Pay, everything. Free on a 360 degree. It's fresh, chill, so good.
oh wow, this one.
And this is actually the production of the juice over here.
Oh, I see. All right, so we just arrived in Pasir Panjang, and like Damian explained before, we will go to the hawker center, and let's see what sort of food that we will order today.
Let's have a look. And this is like a more local vibe already. Check this out.
All right, so behind me actually the Pasir Panjang Food Center. That is the, over there, Pasir Panjang Food Center. So the thing is that whenever you already, finish in the day trip in Sentosa, and then you can take a MRT and go to Pasir Panjang Food Center. As you see, that's so packed of people. And yeah, let's see what food that we will order today.
And Winnie forgot to mention, this is most likely local or eventually expats area for the hawker center. Tourists usually going to Newton or to Maxwell, but not here. There are two sections. This is one, what you can find over here. Some shops are still closed actually, but the concept is very similar like anywhere elsewhere. Okay, Winnie, have a seat. I'm gonna show you how it looks, the hawker center, the main hall actually, where is so much action. Starting with the bakeries, you can have a donuts on the hawker center for $1.20, or all the muffins for actually $1-2, all of the stuff. Satides obviously, chili crabs and all of this stuff. The hawker center is very regular like any other ones, but with little bit better prices. I'm gonna take you. The drinks where you can have a beers and all of this stuff, the cokes, Thai food actually over here, and other stuff like this one. What is very interesting, there's also the Western food. This is where I'm gonna go for my Western food today from the hawker center. Can you imagine that they have a Western menu? Like you can have a fish and chip for $6 in the hawker center. That's actually a very good price. And well, rice, sautés, meats, all of this stuff, so much. Everyone should find something for yourself here. Another drink section over here. Here we go. And well, so many people over there. Yeah, thank you. I already ordered drinks. This is our friend. Yo, what's up? How you doing? And that's how you're enjoying. Yo, what is this? This is very big. Sugarcane juice. So cool, so cool. And you can have a fish and all of this stuff. So much. But mostly local people coming here, or people who are living in Singapore. Not so many visitors like me. So even I look a little bit suspicious when I'm making this video. Everybody already find out that I'm tourist. But so cool. We'll see what we're gonna have for eating today. My fish and chip for $6. We have a chili crab, omelets, and I don't know. Maybe you're gonna explain better now.
This one, the chili crab. I will taste this one first, the sauce. Oh, wow.
Looks so good, huh? How it tastes?
So good.
It's chili
And
crab,
this one,
but it's spicy or not?
not really. This one, the stingray sambal.
Alright.
Oh, look at this.
You try a little bit of everything. Is it spicy?
Not really.
Okay.
And this one,
next.
omelette. I think whenever we go to the hawker center, omelette must be.
Okay. And then the
And
bread?
this one, the bun. So good. I already tried, and you have a fish and chip.
Okay, cheers. Hold on, me also too. Cheers. Yeah, alright, cheers. I looks funny because I eat the fish and chip with the chopstick now, but look at them. This is the funny. What you have it, guys? What is this?
This is East Meet West, uniquely Singapore.
Alright, alright. It's hilarious lah. And you have a gloves to eat the chili crab later on. Okay, cool. And suddenly when we enjoying the dinner, the big rain come, everybody move out from the table from the middle to the, inside under the shed, and they are squeezing a little bit, but everybody are happy, enjoying the time. Food, no problem at all. But it's the rainy season in Southeast Asia. I have to guys remember that, especially afternoon, like this one. What's so cool? And Sayang is trying to gonna put on the gloves and try the chili crab. Eating crab like the locals with the gloves in the hand. You don't do it with the fork and knife. Come on, dear, like a professionals. How is it? Nice?
So good. This is the best chili crab. Whenever you go to Pasir Panjang food court, choose the number 15.
Number 15.
One
Highly
five.
recommended. Highly recommended. All right, so we are back to Harbourfront. There is the orange and the purple line. So as you can see, it's very, very, very busy actually. Wanna show you a little bit of the mall because we are looking for the snow. I heard there is the snow somewhere here, but I wanna show you the crowd. It's very busy, and it's already like a 9 p.m. Look at this lady, what she's carrying with kids. Now is the Christmas time, so you can find many interesting things in the mall, and you can easily get lost in the mall as well. Check this out. So this is VivoCity Mall. Unbelievably busy today. It's like a day before Christmas when we are filming this one. So most of the people already have a time to get out. Of course, so many Christmas decorations, Christmas markets, and the Christmas vibes. I know some of you guys like Christmas, some of you don't like Christmas. That's pretty normal stuff everywhere around the world. In Singapore, it's no difference. But I'm gonna tell you, it's super cool for me. Well, one of the reasons why we came here, it was actually Christmas. So everywhere you can see decorations like this one, and just generally Christmas vibes. And now let's have a look where we can find the snow here. Must be somewhere outside, I believe. Overall, that's how it looks inside the mall in Singapore. So much is going on around, actually a lot. VivoCity Mall, Harbourfront, close nearby Sentosa. Outside the mall, you can find also so many nice restaurants. This one actually that I'm facing my camera is German one. But you can find so many. It's like a beautiful promenade next to the water actually. It's already dark obviously because sunset in Singapore is around 7 o'clock. And this is also the way where you can walk to Sentosa Island in case if you would like to walk somehow. I don't know many people walking there, But well, actually I see some people walking there, but I wouldn't do it myself personally. But maybe you do it. You can let me know in the comment section. And that's the overall situation of the harbor. Also over there is the cruise ship, big cruise ship, and the cable car between the islands and Singapore is still going.
Merry Christmas, everyone. All right, so somebody told us you're supposed to go to the VivoCity. So we go here to showing you how is the Christmas decoration and the Christmas vibe here. And later in 5 minutes, we will see the snow. It's not the real one, but I don't know.
They're gonna make it.
Like. They're gonna make it.
Somehow they're gonna make it. So cool. And of course, Christmas music everywhere. So cool. This stop is that cool as I decide I'm gonna walk around 360 around this huge Christmas tree, and I'm gonna show you around. I hope so you enjoy it. It's very nice, really, really cool. And well, it's been a while when I seen stuff like this last time. So yeah, the snow is coming. That's how they make a snow, guys. Here we go. Actually, it's the snow made from the, you know, like a foam. Not real snow, of course, but the
Merry
cool experience.
Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
You don't need to go to Europe to feel how snow is. But I know this is just like the south, but the feeling, you know, surrounded by the people, Christmas music, Christmas tree. Thank you so much to make my dreams come true. Wow. Wow, it's super spectacular in experience that I feel so far. So yeah guys, I think that's all our video today from Singapore, especially from the VivoCity celebrating Christmas. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Merry Christmas everyone.